Good morning to my caregivers. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Dana. I'm with an audience. Welcome to Workshop Bilateral Integration. So today we'll be focusing on bilateral integration, which is your child's ability to use both sides of their body in a coordinated way, right? So basically like they're balancing act. So with our bilateral coordination, we will make it easier to do everyday little things like walking, climbing, and jumping, hopscotch, right? So we're gonna do a few fun activities and we'll have fun practicing our bilateral coordination. Okay, you guys are ready? Okay, I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are feeling good. I know it's raining outside, but we're gonna have a lot of fun today. First, we'll just start off with singing our good morning song. If you can, just move along or sing good morning when I sing good morning. Here we go. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Can you say good morning or wave good morning to me? Good morning. Let's do it again. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Can you wave good morning or say good morning? Good morning. One more time, just because it's a beautiful Friday. Here we go. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hey. One more time, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so we'll start off again by our activities by singing our hello songs. We're going to use both of our hands. So you put one hand up, two hands up, wiggle your fingers. Let me know that you're ready. Okay, and freeze them, wiggle them again, wiggle them, and freeze. Wiggle them again, fast, and freeze. Okay, we're gonna go hello one at a time. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. Here we go. One hand up, two hands up. Wiggle your fingers. Let me know that you're ready. Let's sing our hello song. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. One hand up, two hands up. Wiggle your fingers. Let's sing hello. Sing it a little bit louder for me. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Let's do this one. Hands on your head. One more time. Here we go. Hello, a little bit faster. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. Oh, good job at singing hello. Good job, Lou. Okay, so now let's go to our song. We're gonna sing If You're Happy and You Know It. But I think everybody's so happy, but let's go by our gestures. So we're gonna happy and you know it. We're gonna clap our hands. Can you clap your hands? You clap your hands, clap them up high. Clap them down low. Clap them to the side, to the other side, and in the middle. Hey, good job. Can you nod your head? If you're happy and you know it, can you nod your head? Yeah, can we go side to side? Side to side, nod your head up and down. Hey, good job. One more time, side to side, side to side, up and down. All right, now we're gonna shout hooray. Can you shout hooray? Hooray! One more time. Okay, here we go, here we go. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hey, good job. Now we're gonna nod our head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. All right, now let's make a smile. Can I see your smile? Can I see all of your beautiful smiles? So beautiful. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. Can I see your beautiful smiles? Hey. Now let's shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. Good job. Now let's go one more time with clapping our hands. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hey, let's clap our hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Good job. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. And freeze. Hey, good job, good job. Good job, guys. So now we're gonna go to our rum sum sum. So we're gonna need both of your hands. Let me stop. We need both of your hands. Make them like a ball, and we're gonna stack them on top of each other, just like this. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Hey, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Freeze. Now let's go around and around. Around and around and around and around and freeze. One more time. Around and around and around and around and freeze. Okay, so let's shake those hands out since we're gonna get ready to do a rum sum sum. Shake them out. Shake, 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 freeze. Do it again. Shake, 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 freeze. One more time. Shake, 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 and you are frozen. Hey, relaxed. So we need one hand up, 2 hands are up. Ball, make a ball, and stack them. So we're gonna sing a rum sum sum. We're gonna pound them on top of each other. Here we go. A rum sum sum, a rum sum sum. Gilly, 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 rum sum sum. A rum sum sum, a rum sum sum. Let's roll them. Gilly, 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 rum sum sum. Aleo, aleo. Gilly, 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 rum sum sum. Aleo, aleo. Gilly, 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 rum sum sum. Okay, let's go a little bit slower. Here we go. You need your hands. Here are 2 balls. Let's stack them up. Rum sum sum, rum sum sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Hands up. Aleo, aleo. Roll them. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Hands up. Aleo, aleo. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Okay, let's go maybe a little bit faster. Okay, guys, we're gonna go a little bit faster. Here we go. One hand up, two hands up. Make a ball with your hands. Ball them up and stack them. Let's go a little bit faster. Here we go. Rum sum sum, rum sum sum. Gilly 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 rum sum sum, rum sum sum, rum sum sum. Gilly 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 rum sum sum. Aleo, aleo. Roll them. Gilly 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 rum sum sum. Up and down. Aleo, aleo. Roll them. Gilly 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 rum sum sum. Hey, good job. Let's do it one more time. One more time, guys. One hand up, two hands are up. Make a ball with your hands, stack them. Here we go. Rum sum sum, rum sum sum. Gilly 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 rum sum sum, rum sum sum, rum sum sum. Gilly 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 rum sum sum. Up and down. Aleo, aleo. Let's roll them. Gilly 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 rum sum sum. Aleo, aleo. Roll them. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Hey, good job, guys. So our hand movements. So let's stack them. Let's do the pound up and down. Let's switch it if you can. Pound up and down. Let's go up and down, up and down. One more time, up and down. And let's roll them. Roll them fast, really, really fast and slow. So slow and fast and freeze. Hey, good job, guys. Good job. Okay, that was so great working on your balancing act or your bilateral coordination. So now we're going to take a look at our featured art. And when we look at our featured art, we're going to see some amazing artwork. Let's see. Yes, we're going to see some amazing artwork. Wow. Let's look at our featured art. Let's take a closer look. So we have some artwork that's done by Miss Laura Anderson Barbara with Don Jose and Mendoza. This artwork is called Oashakan Jumbi suit or the Traje Jumbi o Xalaqueño. It is associated with the textiles and the zancudos and zanchila made by Captain Don Jose Mendoza. It's so beautiful, right? If we take a closer look, we can look at all of the amazing colors. What colors do you see? I see pink. Yes. What about orange? I see orange. Do you see the color orange? What about blue? Do you see the color blue? Yes. Maybe let's see one more color. Maybe, do you see the color purple? Yes, the color purple. There are so many more colors and textures that we see. Now, these costumes are stilt walking costumes, which means they are balancing. If you see the sticks at the bottom of the costume, these costumes are used for stilt walking. So these stilt walkings, they balancing themselves on the stilts as they walk or dance or even hop on one foot. Yes, these are some amazing stilt walking costumes by Don Jose Mendoza. Here we go. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed those costumes because I did. They're so beautiful. So next we're going to sing our goodbye song. Yes? So this time we're going to wave goodbye and we're going to clap our goodbye. Yes? So here we go. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Wiggle your fingers. Let me know you're ready to say goodbye. Okay, let's sing our goodbye song 1 hand at a time. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Both hands. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. One more time. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Let's clap it out. Here we go for the very last time. Here we go. And goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Parents, have a great time exploring that bilateral coordination. One great tip is to maybe practice blowing bubbles. And when you blow the bubbles, have you and your little one reach with 2 hands to pop them to practice their bilateral coordination. So I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, Lou.